There it is, right beneath the largest dune.
That signal is strong. It must be massive.
Let's start with the digging tools over there and get the water tank secured.
Right away. How about the large tent?
We'll assemble that next.
Bring in the heavy lifters means contending with a localized sandstorm every time they approach the dig site.
We are secure on all points. Start the vertical ascent, slow and steady.
Bring it down easy now.
All right, she's secure on this side. Get the other chain. Keep it coming back slow. Easy on the left side. All right, hold it right there. Kill the air.
Slow and steady. Watch the alignment. Looks good here.
Secured.
The integrity of this seam is completely compromised. Feel that vibration?
Yes. And these rivets are heavily oxidized. I'm logging it now.
We need to start with plate 402, right here. Okay, I've got the impact wrench ready. The scaffolding is secure on this side.
Hardness reading 320 BHN. Ultrasonic thickness 0.59 inches.
Are the bullet impacts stable on the last wagon?
Yes, but the rust is worse than expected.
Understood. The inspection is complete.
Look at the pitting on this panel.
Yes, it's almost a 1/4 inch deep right here. We'll need to stabilize this first. Lower it slowly, we need to clear the axle box. Okay, I'm setting the clamps now. Make sure that chain is secure before we lift.
We need to inspect this valve here before we close it up.
All right, let me check the schematic first. It should be labeled.
As you can see, the corrosion here is extensive. We need to document the degradation before we can begin the replacement.
Make sure the alignment is perfect before securing.
It's seated. Starting the expansion now.
Easy now, set it down gently. Watch the stenciling on the side.
Okay, lift on 3.
My God. It's exactly as described. Dull finish. It's open now, watch the edge.
We're bringing the cart around. Keep those cables clear of the wheels.
Keep pushing, it's moving now.
Good. Now bring the lights in close. Let's see what we're dealing with inside.
Okay, she's seated, confirmed on the rail. You can take the tension off the front cables. All right, hold it right there. Secure the load.
Roger that. Main entrance is clear. Initiating unloading protocol. All units hold position. We are proceeding eastbound on schedule.
Roger. Maintaining visual on the asset.
Checkpoint 1 to control. Convoy verified. Opening the gate. Convoy 4-1 approaching checkpoint perimeter. All systems green.